There's so many kills. I've actually lost count of how many kills there were.
इंडिया में इससे भयंकर एक्शन कहीं नहीं हुआ है.
We hope you enjoyed the ride.
This film especially was very interesting because it just had so much of action, especially because the action had to be done in such a limited space.
The way he had written the action, it was so realistic that it somewhere brought me to the edge of the seat, and I was just sitting like this. I was like, okay, now what happened? Now what happened?
While writing, I would get up and I would start fighting in air. Like I would ghost fight. I wanted each kill to be different from the other kill.
We spoke to a bunch of action choreographers around the world. Somebody who stood out the most with their unique ideas was Mr. Roh from Korea. So I think then there was a partnership between the action team, both Korean and the Indian team working together.
For him, every action piece needed to have the motivation of the emotion.
He used to make look everything so natural and organic that it never looked like a fight. Nothing is looking that you guys are trying to look cool or you're trying to kill anybody. You're actually killing somebody. Just to make sure that okay, I'm not hitting anybody, I'm not hitting the camera. I have to make sure that okay, everybody's protected. I have to make sure I am protected because I used to get beaten up the most in the film.
Safety of the cast and crew, he was very, very particular about it. He was, that was the top of his mind.
हर कोने में मारा भाई लोगों को, हर कोने. यहाँ मारा है, यहाँ से पटका है एक को बाहर.
It feels like some kind of a elaborate physical kinetic form which is happening.
Every portion of the action sequence is fueled by a lot of emotion.
For the entire movie, you're in the train. So you're in for a surprise. You're in for a big, massive ride.
आपकी यात्रा सुखद, सफल और मंगलमय रहे. शुरू करें?
Kill for me is खूनी सफर.
It's full of like blood, sweat, and tears.
We hope you enjoyed the ride.
There are way too many goons, there are way too many prosthetics happening in this film. How would you really do it?
Zubi is the best prosthetics artist in the country.
She works in so much detail.
So there's a lot of research that goes into it. What weapon was used? What was the proximity with which he was hit? कभी देखा है किसी को ऐसे मरते हुए और इतना खुश होते हुए?
The air pump was connected to a pipe, and the moment a stab is done, would push the air pump, and the blood would come out.
You have to change the whole costume, you have to change the flooring. Retake would be a 90 minutes.
खच and blood.
You pick up a knife, pierce through somebody's eye.
Fire extinguisher मारता है. भयंकर सीन लगता है मुझे. सबको लहू लुहान करो, लाल लाल.
Blood.
Hello.
You actually see the spectrum of violence.
रोंगटे खड़े हो जाएंगे भाई.
हिम्मत है तो थिएटर में आओ.
I'm a fanboy of action. I love action.